Okay guys, your freezer should be well stocked with all of the Hot for Food make-ahead breakfast ideas for back to school that I've shared with you so far. And this week, you're getting this epic vegan Benny breakfast loaf. It's everything you love in a vegan Benedict brunch or breakfast, but it's all in one bread loaf that you can slice up and toast every weekday. The filling is full of yummy goodness that I'm going to show y'all how to make right now. To start, we're going to make a vegan hollandaise. In a medium saucepan over medium heat, combine non-dairy milk, vegan butter, tapioca flour, nutritional yeast, ground mustard powder, granulated garlic powder, turmeric, white pepper, sea salt, lemon juice, and white wine vinegar. Bring this to a low simmer until thick and foamy for about 8 to 10 minutes. Then set it aside, and the mixture will thicken up a little bit more as it cools. To make that dough, you're going to use a stand mixer with the dough hook attachment. To the mixing bowl, add all-purpose flour, quick rise yeast, sugar, sea salt, vegetable oil, and warm water. Start the mixer on low until the flour incorporates with the wet ingredients. Then turn the mixer up to medium-high speed until the dough comes together and cleans the sides of the bowl. Place a damp tea towel over the bowl and let it sit for 10 minutes. Now have all your Benedict fillings ready to assemble the bread loaf. Flour a work surface and turn out the dough on top. Use a rolling pin to roll out the dough into a 12 by 8 inch rectangle and trim the dough if needed, or use a dough cutter to straighten up the edges. Brush some of the hollandaise all over the dough right to the edges, and then sprinkle with chives, spinach, vegan cheese shreds, and add vegan deli slices on top in one even layer. Roll up the dough into a log and cut it into 8 even pieces about 1 inch wide. Place the rolls in a loaf pan, squeezing in 2 rolls side by side to make 4 rows of 2 in one layer. Cover the loaf pan with a damp tea towel and let it proof in a warm, draft-free place for 30 to 45 minutes until puffy. Once proofed, it'll look like this. Now bake the loaf uncovered in a preheated oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes until golden brown. Let this cool completely before slicing it up. Serve the Benny breakfast loaf with extra hollandaise drizzled on top, or you can warm it up and serve extra hollandaise on the side for dip in those slices. And you can add more chives on top if you like as a garnish. And there you have it, the final back-to-school breakfast idea for all your hungry, busy mornings. This one is killer, and I'm basically obsessed with it. If you like it as well, take a pic and share it with me on social, tagging @Hot4Food. I'm Lauren from Hot4Food, and keep on watching my channel. I have linked some videos here and here. Just keep on binge watching. Also, you can follow me on social media @Hot4Food, @Lauren Toyota, and of course subscribe, because I'm here with brand new recipes every Wednesday.